Toyota's best-selling vehicle. The Corolla added the new model to its series in order to suit the growing demand for SUVs. The enhanced Corolla lineup enables customers to select a model that has better suits their drive's lifestyle and improves every life stage. The new model is named after the long-running Corolla family car and is based on the Toyota New Global Architecture, that is TNGA program. This structural based inversion program focuses on changing basic architecture of vehicles as a way of sustaining the Toyota brand and exceeding customer expectations. So meet the Corolla Cross, it is a different version from the sedans, hatchbacks and wagons. The 5-seater SUV boasts of a spacious, leather-clad cabin. You will be assured to experience style, quality and comfort. Corolla Cross is designed with a practicality in mind. It has large door openings for easy entry and exit, and elevated driving positions and a spacious interior. We aim for the first-class leading luggage space. Comfort and convenience is complemented with a power, sun or moon roof and rear SUV outlets. Other installed available amenities inside the Corolla Cross include 8-inch touchscreen, infotainment, radios and the reverse camera. Up front is a familiar face with a refined grille flanked by thin swept-back headlamps. The black accents on the front continues over to the side onto the wheel mindshafts and the side skirts. Meanwhile, the rear follows the same styling with a similar bumper as the front. Experience sleek LED headlights and taillights with a foot activate liftgate and much more. The Toyota Corolla Cross has outstanding fuel efficiency of 1.8-liter engine with dual variable value timing with intelligence, which is an automobile variable value timing technology developed by Toyota, aimed at delivering a maximum output of 140 divided by 103 horsepower per kilometer and 172 Nm to offer the right amount of power for all your faraway destinations. The Corolla Cross comes with 6-speed automatic CVT, that is continuously variable transmission which combines the smooth, fuel-efficient performance of a CVT with a much more direct driving feel of a traditional geared automatic.